what is meaning of trisection? Line segment joining these 2 points. See, the meaning of trisection is the line segment divides in 3 equal parts. The meaning of trisection is this. See, this is line segment AB and 2 points divides it P and Q, and you have to find out the coordinates of P and Q. Now come on solution parts here. The meaning of trisection, it means line segment divides in 3 equal parts. Let's say it divides in 1:1:1. Okay, you have to find P and Q. First of all, we are solving for P, case number 1. I am taking A, P and B. I am hiding Q. If I hide Q, so AP will be 1 and what will be PB? This is 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, then other things are the same. I mentioned here x1, y1, x2, y2. This is m1 and m2. You have to find x and y. Now keep formula in mind. What is m1 x2? m1 x2, this is your minus 2 plus m2 x1, 2 4s are 8 upon m1 plus m2, 1 plus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 upon 3, this is 2. X is equal to 2. Come on for y. m1 y2, 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 plus m2 y1, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 upon m1 plus m2 is like this, 1 plus 2. Then what will come here? Minus 3 and minus 2, this will become minus 5 upon 3. Then coordinates of P will be 2 comma minus 5 upon 3. This is your point P. Now come on for point Q. Yes, for point Q, see here, what is you have given? You have to hide P. If I hide P, then 1 plus 1 will be 2 and QB will be 1. That is why here M1 is 2 and M2 will be 1. Then use that formula only. X is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2. Similarly, Y is equal to M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. Come on. See here, X is equal to M1 x2. M1 is 2. This is minus 2 plus M2 x1. M2 is 1. X1 is 4 upon M1 plus M2 2 plus 1. Okay, this is your minus 4 plus 4 upon 3. 0 upon 3 become 0. Come on for Y. Now I am doing mentally. M1 y2. M1 y2. 3 minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Plus M2 y1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 upon M1 plus M2. 2 plus 1. Then y will be minus 7 upon 3. Then what is coordinate of Q? Coordinate of Q 0 comma 7 upon 3. Like in this way you can get easily the coordinates of point P and Q which trisect the line segment. Come on the next question. Come on, for our next question is, see here, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points this and this is divided by minus 1 comma 6. It means in this you have to find ratio. This ratio you have to find out. How to get it? Let that ratio be K ratio 1. I am making comparatively easier. Okay, K ratio 1. See, 2 points are given. Let's say 2 points are A and B. Minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8, and you have given this point is divided by minus 1 comma 6. This is your minus 1 comma 6 given to you. Now you have to find this one unknown value only. We know that this formula, we know that x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Okay, x is here what? Minus 1. m1 x2, m1 is what? This k, this is 6, this will be 6k plus m2 x1 plus 1 into minus 3, this is minus 3 upon m1 plus m2, this is k plus 1, this is minus k minus 1, 6k minus 3, minus 1 plus 3, this will be 2, and 6k minus k will go that side, this will become 7k. What will be value of k? 2 upon 7. This is your answer. Now you can check, you have one more option, you can check and put this all values here, you will get the same answer. Okay, in exam you have to do either this or that. Okay, come on, I am going to verify this. Y is 6, m1 y2, m1 y2, this is minus 8 k, m2 y1, 1 into 10 is 10 upon m1 plus m2 is k plus 1. This is your 6k plus 6 after multiplying 8k plus 10, isn't it? Now see, 6k already here, 8k is coming, this will be 14k. This is 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6 is 4, 4 upon 14, I can simplify and getting 2 upon 7. See, 2 upon 7 here also and here. What is our answer? What is our answer? Answer will be k ratio 1. K is what? 2 upon 7 ratio 1. So 2 ratio 1 is your answer. Now come on, the next question.